Still treating local SEO like it's 2015? That could be costing your repair shop customers every single day. We break local search into three phases. Local 1.0 focused on accurate contact listings. Local 2.0 added reviews and maps. And Local 3.0 is today's AI-driven era built around personalization and search intent. For auto repair shops, this means visibility now depends on how well your online presence matches what AI systems think users need in real time. AI search tools can interpret complex queries, predict intent, and deliver tailored results. Instead of just ranking, shops must now communicate relevance, trust, and service clarity. That shift is why static websites and outdated listings are no longer enough. Our message is clear. Shops that embrace evolving local search strategies will remain competitive, while those that ignore it risk disappearing from the customer journey.